I stand here as from Team Ganga to speak for the motion. Religion and politics should be kept completely separate. After 79 years of independence, Uniform Civil Code was implemented in Uttarakhand to mark this very motion. Religion and politics should be kept completely separate. Today, world is running faster than reflection in every policy. Every stroke and every step we take is a stroke to the picture we paint for tomorrow. I will be presenting why religion and politics should be kept completely separate, because the main agendas are being overshadowed and politics is being taken. India is a secular nation. 42nd Amendment Act added the word secular to the preamble of the Constitution. The word secular itself means that the nation does not support any one religion. When India, a diverse nation, begins to support one religion, begins to promote one motive, the main agenda of empowerment of women, the main agenda of development, the main agenda of other important aspects gets overshadowed. Let me bring you the notice that Uniform Civil Code, now implemented in Uttarakhand after 79 years, has ensured that women, even in the villages, even those who are not aware about their rights, irrespective of their religion, will now be given equality. When the judges there were personal laws like Muslim law and Hindu law, judges used to have different books to refer to one divorce case. When the person is one, when the human is one, when the biology doesn't differentiate, then why should the religion and why should politics they intervene? Now my opponents might say that the politics, that UCC was a political agenda. I completely disagree with them, because UCC was implemented for those marginalized sections, for those discriminated sections who were being neglected because religion and politics were being mixed to each other. In my concluding statement, I believe that the main agenda of India is not which religion we belong to. It's not if we are Hindu or Muslim. The main agenda is, should India be a global leader? Should India set an example for the rest of the nation, knowing that it is a secular nation? Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.